Lose track, keeping up with phrases in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a common English phrase that often puzzles learners: lose track. It's a phrase that pops up in both casual conversations and formal discussions. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it correctly in a sentence. So, let's get started. When someone says they lose track of something, it means they have stopped being aware of it or forgotten it over time. It's like when you are following a path in the woods but suddenly realize you don't know where you are. You've lost track of the path. In everyday life, we use the phrase to talk about a variety of situations where we stop paying attention or forget information, items, or time. Time. When talking about time, losing track could mean forgetting the current time, date, or how much time has passed. For example, if you're enjoying a good book or a conversation, you might say, "I lost track of time." People or objects. We can also lose track of people or objects. If you haven't seen an old friend for a while, you might say, "I lost track of her over the years." Or if you can't find your keys, you might say, "I've lost track of my keys." Tasks or thoughts. It's also possible to lose track in the middle of tasks or thoughts. If you're working on a complicated problem and get interrupted, you could say, "I lost track of where I was in my calculations." Now let's look at how to use lose track in full sentences. During the marathon, I lost track of the miles and just focused on running. She was so engrossed in her painting that she lost track of time. After the reunion, we promised not to lose track of each other again. Remember, the phrase can be used in various tenses to talk about the past, present, or future. A common mistake learners make is using lose track, literally for physical paths or roads. Instead, use it metaphorically for abstract concepts like time, thoughts, or relationships. That's a wrap on the phrase, lose track. I hope this explanation helps you stay on track with your English learning journey. Don't forget to practice using the phrase in different sentences to solidify your understanding. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.